So that's how it is.
Did you kill Salome?
Yes.
Why did you kill her?
Why did I kill her? Because if you don't have each other all the time, you don't have each other all the time.
Is there a reason to kill?
Why did you kill Salome?
That's what I'm saying. We don't have each other all the time.
Siri, call this guy for me.
She's always cheating. She hide most of the things from me most times.
How did you get to me?
Because I saw her phone.
How? When did you go to me?
I saw her phone, like I said.
What did you see in the phone that made you very angry?
Most of the chat with the other guys, I caught her cheating on me. And so I brought it to her awareness that she was cheating. She refused. She didn't want to accept until I showed her the chat and showed her what she did, what she admitted, and told me she was sorry. It's never gonna happen again. That was what happened.
On Saturday evening, my sister tell me to say she did dress up to go out. Then we can't ask her say where she did go. She come to say she did go visit a friend. Till Sunday, we no hear anything from my sister again. All of a sudden, I did on my way, they go back to my station where I did work. Now I get call on my way going from Gwadimpa. Say make I turn back, they come okay. My sister get accident there. I say no problem, accident. I ask details of the accident. Where did the accident happen? What happened? Police no fit give me any details of anything where they happen.
Abusiamwa kwaba edebatu maji iso meso se enene de dikam ni mi edi share subscribe my page na fe mi adoma no sesa no upload bia tumwa unsa ebetimi aka na empenifo se ade eche na yante asem foforo na chese yechi se me no ka se de ukọ Nigeria mamu a akwakoye arehosem ye pa ene de ama ade share ewo Nigeria ni nyina ne se abrante bi a oye local gospel singers and can say de baga na ha anka ne ebra ko ishira kayafas mo ne ade mo yero mo na musori mu etutu nyom tontum nyame enya abrante ne ne de wo hyeda woni ye pa so oje mic no pagya nyom wo ha awose kura bigum na busua wo bi nnim ne ka abrante no se nkrofo enu boni bi ne wanom se tramo bi na afa ne tirim sense wo de aduro so na aduro na san yekoda sori abrante na kasese mu pampampan akọ police station amanye ne san a wo se ne girlfriend one na tena afe ba ko no onu akasa atwa bayo ne ti e de afiri so papa boko de wo se ai boko e de ne si ye ma utimi twa bayo wo na tena infisha ba ko ti free so ne nsam na wo keka na busua se wo ti a abrante ne kire se abayo ne de eye ne mpa no edin a e ba abonten se abayo ne ye de fere no eye Salome Ajayi enu ne ye edin a ye de fere abayo na abrante no wenya infisha aduasa mienu a eye 32 years owo Orozo community ewo Nigeria eho na wo abrante no kire se ne nkanchima no ya wore na ehhehye kwa mohwehwe mpna ade se wo mo keka na se nka ya adoma na kwa aware akwa kopim na abrante se ase nanse ne oba na ye no wo hu ne yi ase oba ne nche no de ne phone siesie no ase onya course bi oba ne nche nkro ontena play mu so de ne phone akwa kwaso flight mode onim ase obisa abayo na wonya se papa bi anka nche no enti na wo hu se ne obayo ye de ase wo famachi abusunya se me no ka se de abrante na se ma wo kire se esanse abayo no na twempna no efa na chinti no onu akasa de so kan atu ni minimu etwa yenkotie se ne abrante no eka na kosem na yema yeba enkomo wo etwa ibidi.
She's a female friend, my girlfriend.
How long are you guys dating?
A year.
Oh yeah. How come none of the family members know that you guys were dating?
Because it's actually complicated. It's complicated.
So tell us about the complication.
We don't get to see each other all the time. We're always coming around. Like for example, we have a lot of people around. We come around most of those times. So that's how it is.
Did you kill Salome?
Yes.
Why did you kill her?
Why did I kill her? Because if you don't have each other all the time, you don't have each other all the time.
Is there a reason to kill?
Why did you kill Salome?
That's what I'm saying. We don't have each other all the time.
Simi, call this guy for me. You are here. Simi, you talked that time. Why you did you like this? Tell us.
Sometimes it's not because we don't really have each other all the time.
Simi, start from where you told me you invited Salome.
I invited Talume
Okay.
to come around most in a while.
Okay.
And we get to be most of the time. We've had a lot of things going on.
All right. On that day when she came to your house, when you invited
Narrate
her,
what happened on the day that you killed her.
She came to my house and we're actually vibing. We're not actually vibing well. But based on one or two things,
What is the one or two things?
we started getting close to each other. And I saw that my vibe and her vibe came together. So that was how we came to be together.
And that's how you killed her. Just tell us how you carried out, how long you planned to carry out the attack and how you executed it.
It's not something I really planned on. Something that it happened on that day and it happened.
Simi,
Not like I had a plan in mind.
Simi,
Ma,
you told me that when she came, you caught her doing something. You caught her sex chatting with another man. That was why you killed her. So tell them, what is it? What has she done to you to deserve this? Tell them.
she was always cheating. She hid most of the things from me most times.
How did you get to know?
Because I saw her phone.
How? When did you get to know?
I saw her phone, like I said.
What did you see in the phone that made you very angry?
Most of the chat with the other guys. That's what I saw on the phone.
So that was when you decided to kill her.
Yes,
Do you have any regrets?
I don't have any regret.
Okay, you don't regret killing her.
I don't.
Why?
Because life is reciprocal. That's what I thought. Life is reciprocal. And if you must be with someone, you have to be reciprocal with that person. You have to understand what that person is going through so that you can actually put yourself in the position that kind of person is going through. So that was why I didn't have any regret, because we were actually compatible. So that was why.
So, Mr. Timmy, please narrate how it happened, what you saw that made you kill, and how you did it. What happened on that day?
What happened on that day was very simple. I caught her cheating on me, and so I brought it to her awareness that she was cheating. She refused. She didn't want to accept until I showed her the chat and showed her what she did before she admitted and told me she was sorry. It's never going to happen again. That was what happened.
So afterwards, you now asked her to go into the bathroom. What happened?
After that, I told her to go into the bathroom. She went to the bathroom and started some things. Immediately started those things. I couldn't take it lightly. I had to go into the room of where I can get some certain things that will happen. So I took the knife from the restroom and went it to her. Immediately she was lying her hand down. I held her neck and I did what I had to do, and that was it.
When she died, what happened?
When she died, nothing really happened.
You went and took the cutlass, then what?
I only took some parts of the knife, and that was it. That was what happened.
So how were you caught?
I wasn't caught. I surrendered myself.
It's not true.
How? You were caught trying to dispose.
I surrendered myself. If I didn't want anybody to catch me, I would have done that. It's very simple.
It's not true.
It's simple, to be honest.
Simi said he surrendered himself.
Are you ready to face the wrath of the law?
It's not a big thing to pay. It's not a big thing to pay.
It's not a big thing to pay. So tell us, where are you from?
I'm from Kogi State. I'll be 30 this year.
You told us 31.
I'll be 30
Initially,
this
you
year.
said 32. You now said 31.
I'll be 30 this year, this October.
And you say you have no regrets?
I have no regrets.
Simi,
What do you do for a living?
I'm a cryptocurrency agency.
The pieces are into like 40 pieces. Clean pieces. It's just like Elena cow where they arrange for table, put for grand. But your own difference say they don't put them for table, they put them for grand.
Innocent Ele, a copper, a promising young lady, very intelligent.
On Saturday evening, my sister tell me to say she dey dress up to go out. Then we come ask her say where she dey go. She come to say she dey go visit a friend. Till Sunday, we no hear anything from my sister again. All of a sudden, I dey on my way dey go back to my station where I dey work. Na here I get call on my way going for Gwarimpa. Say make I turn back, dey come okay. My sister get accident there. I say no problem, accident. I ask details of the accident. Where did the accident happen? What happened? Police no fit give me any details of anything wey dey happen. I say to no wahala, I don dey come. With the shock and everything wey dey do me, now I hang for that Duse Junction first for some period of time. Make some calls before I come waka, come dey go okay. When we reach okay, I meet my younger brother and our last born for there. Now I ask them to say where Ele. They say Ele don die. I say Ele don die how? The next thing we come up for there. I can't go see Ele. I just say na normal like Ele just die, get accident. I come, I see Ele body. The pieces are into like 40 pieces. Clean pieces. It's just like Ele na cow where they arrange for table, put for grand. But your own difference say they don't put them for grand. They don't put them for table, they put them for grand. I ask wetin do my sister. They no answer me. The next thing na im body to scatter, make dem bury am. We look for one corner for there, bury am. But me, I know to say that body won't bury am there. No be there, he go there. Now just make we fit keep the body. They bury am there. Mortuary, they say no fit carry go mortuary. The body to scatter. Una no say body to scatter. Una no fit carry and go mortuary. Una no they do anything about am. After that day, we left that place. We come up for there. We come as that night. That Sunday night, we no fit sleep. Monday morning, we start waka. Monday afternoon, they never call us. Monday afternoon, I don't ask where we go, where we go. We waka, we go police station for Orozo. We reach that police station for New Orozo for Nasarawa State. They start to dey ask questions. I ask the DPO wetin dey happen with my sister. He say make I go ask my other sisters. Now maybe the firstborn of Adaibi Joseph family. My father just died in May last year. He never even reach 1 year. Say the guy wey my sister follow na our friend. I say with my life and with everything I know in this life, I know all my younger sisters, they are friends. Even my friends, they know my sisters. My sisters know my friend. Everybody for our family, they know 1 or 2 people about. And the contact must say you deal with person for 1 year. Your family member, not 1 and 5 girls. When you get 2, will be your best friend. Even if she know they too close to me, she get 2. Our last born and how we they do the university together, the same room, the same faculty. No go know who she they date for 1 year. The guy say my sister they live with her for the past 1 year. Me will meet my sister for under bridge for Nyanya when I they come back from work on Friday. Now the same person will say they live with her, get away, they close from work on Icon Insurance, they come back straight to her father's house. You say now the same person will be say if they come they see you for waiting that they call them for your house, so now they live together. He just killed her, butchered her in his room. See big rubber there for that house there. Nothing this guy. The guy is the way the guy they act. The neighbors stop staying and so speak aloud for in room. If they butcher my sister, carry her head, they go okay. Now your Okada see him. They see blood, they drop. Okada can't stop him.
Never reach 5 months the father died. Let they pay me. He say he must stand for me. Now he dey be say now he be my husband. Say now he be my everything. I can't dey happy.
The only thing where we want is just justice for Ele. May we just know what him do Ele. If the guy, they have call logs. They have ways that police can investigate things and tell the family. See now they never fit give us our sister phone. They're there with the phone. They're there with her things. They know they give us information. As far as me I'm concerned, I don't have any information. I don't know anything about any.
Entabusia sani abrante no eka na kosema na sani o kire nsem nim si fa ya wodi koto police for anim no na mede ababesomo na sani mede kan se enkomo wa akira yebedire ba ne se ya na akwakoye ahometesem de ama emayo ne mrante ni na bese den na abrante a wo hu oba na wo se wodo no na ebia wo hu se wafo wachi na wo mpeni bi ma enye na busuafo ho na wasande ne ko na wotimi de mra hye wo nsem eje abayo ne nkwade firi ne nsem ne ko ba ne sa na ayaya se ko ba ne se na se emayo ho komo ne yedidi a na mensaka abayo osono baako ewo menchen ha mene no eba bedidi enkomo na ansa na mekọ me guest ne ho no me kai wo se Dr. Abednego contact ego screen na se busuafa na ne twetwe nkomo sunsumu ha obi a wonamu bia obetimi age we kra abayo behwe na sunsumu ha na busuafo na aton dama abrante no ene akwakotwe ne ti Fred Dr. Abednego na ne twetwe nkomo na sa ha we bi entimi amfa ma usafa busuaka no ho abra me ma me guest no akwaba no akwaba
mejo so odo ye
ewia no pray the wo blinky why come apart? Oh, there be I have one crab dear dancers say we come apart. Unfi han ko no wanya crash.
Crash ne dia na ye pese bi pie firi ba bi firi ya ne menya kunu. Nsa no dia ye you will confirm the way that.
Ene mesra wa wani gine hu bia mpacho fafa meso en fere direct. O de fa meso a won sabeka. Ma me yan hye yakoma na se na ye nhwe nea efi Nigeria ababeto Ghana ha ama Nigeria mine no abonyinya. Oya baiwa omofe oti ni say o je ni say
that good but when chia wa hwefo mo hwe me sabre e wo too much so in fact ensem bi wo hono ma wote a ete akoma na so sebe ya wo be koso akura wo mudie mu na nipa be koso abu nti no asem bi wo anu aka wanu atum
okay
enya sa anka yenu bi wo hono mu anka entomago paasha ya taade na siu esu bibi nti ni ahye coat aguso na wo branti a wo so oba na fa wachi na me wadom wanfo wani mi wafo wachi a wo mfa ne sa wanya akukudru atwe sekan atwa obeti na so ba se wa wonua ba ene obi ye wo ne sa enkasa na abefa no ena branti na fa ne ma simple normal just say onwale ya ba ya no wakofa na bete na fie no one nete wosi ne niema wonu aduane oye bibia sa warefo enso no onware no yeah man so no emre dru si enso ye wisen up just say beba bi wo honum na one netia e dey kwati mo se nipa smesi wo moa me
okay
enti minim ne enti na man so yete wo sa akopem se ya chechere ye nan ne ye nsa nyina agu ye chansa ne ye be ya no akasa na nka samu abranti e di adi wo be woni be ma te na hunu se wo wudi ne wo se otimi hunu but we hunu wakwa no atum enne waje wo kra free wonsam se wo kona ya me bisa se ye de na aba ha de asem na
akokotwe mpana ya me de ne ba ma me yenhwe yen kasa ne abrantie no aye ne ye mfua ne so ye condemn act no kwan bia so na ebi mu so kasa ne mayo na ban asem mo predodo mo ntomobo se ba akokra na wanya wo pani obetua ma no o pani obetofo na ma no o pede behind them na tenem o pede beto nyindi aguniti ta se mo asesa aboso ntinem benya na munya
na ya sesa aboso asemrante ne obi a na wo sa ba ya
okay
abrante na wo no wetwa oba biti no ene ono na wo sa ba ya ena ye mpana na wo ne etwio enti se wo ka che ne se nipa ne ye niema bia wonni ho kwan so de ne ko ba na busuafo bi wo na busuafo mfa ne ma enti wo hwa de oya na wani nye ho ama me yentwa so tinto nta obi ankwane baabi onti me mfa mra nsa wo nsam se wo twa wo bi beti because wo cheatiw no wo ye hwan wonye nyame kura ne to de bia ye nipa ye chiti no in so many ways into onu nyame kura no ono wo every right say ko betimi age de kra free mu kra onye na wo abrantie na sebe wo ye nipa no a oba betinti brema no peso che so wonfu mo bi da
okay
wafu nipa wo kwan bebere so enti se woni oba ate na hu ne se na wafa we na onti ase a tinto nta obi ankwane baabi ana se de na wo bisa se ma ne pre no enokore say 18 years 17 years one ne boy nete akwala akro so ma me very much okay with the ekoso no enti sometimes no eya na nya se maya na prio ya wo fo ne so akakakra
okay
esa se abaya 18 years eti me ne boy pie no afre ne ma me ne kura ti me fre obeba fia na wo ma
okay
wose ma me mo ene de ekwadwo se me meda ne nchen ti me ma no wakoda ne boy ne nchen ne ma me ya we Wobeye in a way be so akwala ne papa hu because papa for do mu chiri saa de no but ya maamefo no abada ya mo so bi wo ye so a ye pese de bia ye ba ne ye okay but okay bi nso ho nom na akwala ne ye okay na ochira obesu enti nene wo se wutimi mani hu ne se abrabọ no enya saa nete e na be makrampo sabe wa be ware wo de wakotire fie kura ne da asen na onware ye no wafa no course wafa otufo obo parent bia nse nim ni opa no ye de ono feel say na opeso wo de wo ye no de wo ye na nke ba ye na nke watue sika twitwi die bi e de ababusia abefo akotena ne nchen anko ye ade anko bedwene ho enti ye ma ne nso ye hu ne saa sa bema se bema be respect wa e wo de wo ba no be ye wodi bema bi achi a ene wo se me mesra ne nti ne buafu me ka asama kire wo obekwa akwafa wo bi nipa nbaka kire se media just wa ware me ansa ne wahu no ampa bema ne so ope oba ne nti no obetena oba ne ho ne nya hye obeware no enso na wa ne wote oda bia na ohwegum na ohwegum na obi na sabi echire ya nware o enti ne yemfa se yetiri mu se enya bema obeba wo life mu bia no ma yen try se ye be please bema ne match bema pewa o pew se de wutie bia se wo ya kwadworo be se wo akwadworo na se bema pewa o fa wo so no be po adwuma ba be no na duane ate bia mu wadie e yodo me nka se nu nti man so nya akwadworo but bema de enku hu ma bema entena bema so afe baako onimu maame wonimu papa oba no yo ke usora na no ne na enti asia ye hu so ye ente saade a emema no use say ye wi ane asa ku aguso na asam de na asam ko
maame wo kasa no wo ka bibi se se wo ba no se sabo so kra bema no oro na wo sa ba no na se ne wo ka no in a way no wo fua so se oba timi chiti e wo ni bema no ne ti achi se bia waware no so won ware no obeka so okay onware me enti won ho kwan se me san kofa wo fo ka ho ne wo ka ye enya cheating na wo fo aso de mama no
odo nya cheating no but we as Ghana ha no ka no kra ye se wo nye e na wo de asem no so ba bi e da no de to a yes nipa we do kana dwen
okay
cheating e de ne say cheating what be ware me afirifie wa shame kawa
okay
me fa wachi a wo every right say wo frɛ ma himfie na be ma kura me no fa ne chi no wo gina ye frɛ
okay
but relationship with the mama obi e play ni dio
eduma na wahwehwe
what ya see e na aya competition
na mo
enti obi e pedie obi win
okay
enti se machia be ma mama me ni je ho ba me wo girl me de baby sa ne se o wo yire me ni yire ya girlfriend okay girlfriend na obi e kire ne crash power obi a ye di obeye no atimi maintain say nipa no because ye kasa ye che mema na mama na bebe bia betimi nya 50 plus ne ade
teze momukra mo
ba sister empena twa na yes a football match o 11 people we 11 22 people chasing one ball enti sa wo
no
yes e madodo na ba ko pe ne chase o enti sa wo no ba betena brabo ni na wo ye woni emaya e na kire sa be ma na e ware o na wo ba de wote hono mu a enya se dwaman asem a wo fa be ma ba ko mienu mi enya be ma bia nso ne ni hia asem wo ya make mu ntie ne ma na ne meka no
okay
enya be ma bia ne da ene ne
tena maame enye bema bia ne da enye bema bia ne tena ememe so mo nam ho akama wa hwehwe ataso wa kekansi ani wa ye hyepe na wo ba sticker bia mo ne ho ahyenso de mo ne ho wo be de no se bema we ye ne tena bema we ye ne da
odo da bia me kan asem se emma ho nyame de niema bi wura ye mu but ye ma no na ye value se de yetie emma ye obi a ho moja da bia mfa ne se bosu me bi ehu moja o enti ye nsuro moja ye nso ne abodie mu ka akire boni e ba wi ase nyina ye ne fa so sana ba ma no te ho ba nyame de fa ye so enti oba se sebe nya akono bone ene adwaman na ye ya enka ba ma ben ye no obebo ye sese ye hu but ye ma akono ne sikasem bi ni ade bi nti no onipa ne ba onye kra na ye mfa ya dwene nkoso enipa na yusu na wi na fe no tere se nipa we me akro ba ye ne na ma hunim ni ama ne brofo me instinct e kan bibi kire me eso ma mfa enti se ka chiti na obi aware na wafa ne yirachi ana wafa ne kurachi na echi no na say relationship e ye mpena twe de woni mete na wonya wasade ye wasa metimi ko ba bia menya de bo be ye masade ama me eno nkire say ye cheating won ware me
enya ma me wawu anu amoni aka wamnem se be ma no wote no hwe na wontine muwa na obekọ bebi obetimi aboa wo a enya ni wenya ifrim
say yes say me kan
why say mu a
na wo se oni nipa ne tena hu ni se o chiti na wo fe se wo yo ayi a manenko twaso manenko but here is the case I make us say be ma no nya na adwen so o mo ba na ko wo hia be ma baifo da wo ho wo no on pere ma nko no so onya muwa bia mfa
ma be ma na baifo wo
kono ngo ka yesi wo o ma wo nko ono so on twe ne ho e mo obi ma mefa wo nko enti chiti na wo sa bre bia e chire mu yie e ma Ghana fo hu ni se ade bi wo ho no mo a enya cheating wo bi a kire ne de me no wote de wo ye ne mani nye ho enti me hu ni se o mo ame enti wo se me seek help elsewhere e bi kura na nipa na me seek elsewhere help won ho no no enya bone kwan so but hu ye no e na cheating oba kura de nka wonam ho no so fa mema 4 5 na ni o mote ai enti we jawo a how we se kwa enye wasam na ko be
wo okay de se market ya me wo say no
enye se me say no but ade bi wo no is high time a man na wasi ehu ye bo e den na mema ne fire fododo
wo bo ne ye den interest wo sesa be ma no de aboso
se samoso no me di nka ka cho se ne be ma bi anye ne da be ma bi wo no ma wo fa na wo boa wo won kan na ho asam enti wo ba wo se hu ne se nipa we de e bi a me ne ko se ya emo enti wo se me kipi ne kakra be ma bi wo no mu anti wo ne ne hia mu a sikasam bia ne timitwa but obi wo na hia ne da ommo oye wo moa but the moment am ba hia say kim na ade no so tete enti wo ba ne nyina obehu enti no for bi wo no ma na wo de omo nam enti bibia ne agikenkran a wo de bia wo de enti no em woni tutu nka wo nsam no wakọ no poison se do be ko cho biti crash yo ma ba mi ensa no ne omo nam no study wo mo a enko betwa wo biti se gwara we ne mo no ne so waga ne ho no wakọ ne ba bia empratwe enye cheating mam
ayempnatwe enye cheating wo ba nkomo na ye de na so ye bre ne ko na ye di asem no bewe na wo bo no tofa no afi ye nhwe ye bufu se ne asem hye yan sani asem to yenya ye handle no because menye sure say abranti wo hu ne girl no wo time no kofa no obi ani wo be share ne time for no nasna eye odo no do no enti se abufu no sanya ne timi koduru yi a wantimi anhye ne ho so a otimi twe se kan di ewusa osusu se ye bufu say no wo say ye handle ye bufu especially our relationship
odo ka sanu ka bibi se mesere kwa o ka bibi na asam na wo kan ye ne ye me be wi a mesa de be ka ho se obi nti sika enware ne ho na ka kire obi timi efa sika se game ko wa na betete ne wo ho sa e wo ho pa ye timi bo pa se ni pass me si ma pen na wo fi me sika de ka akoda na wan na tete e wo ho bebre it is answer no some penny for her e be correct na e correct se me ma no so mo ye hurry up ye thinkers ya dwene as o ma dwene
nti mo hu mo plans
ya hu mo plans no enti de me ka me di twato ne se abufuo mu bible kra me ye hu ne se ni pese se obufu but e ma wia nkoto so ya ye nipa na ye ni nipa tie ne de mfom so wo ye ho enti ya den ya bubefu me ye nipa bi a se me bufu a me nkasa metie nyuma kopim se me bu beto me ye because obi a ye so o pese bia ne bufu anye enti se ubufu na sa time na nkasa no react a yebechi watu di obeye na raba kwa nkojela ba ko mo kire emwa enti no what ma say abufu na went to me anye nti ba kwa koje ba ko mo kire no enti ne se yetimi hwa se de be handle na hu ne se onipa na ukofa no ya mesi wo beboa but obetimi so ya obo nsam enti ne se wo fa nipa bia wo se wo hwe se de wo sitie na abufuo mu no be ma de nka abufuo ba wo tam se atigu ko no apie obeba na adwo aduani so no aba beti enti na abufuo bi wo honom na ba ya mene nsam cause bibia na yesi be react dia afede kwa we ni nyina yasa just ni ma ye na abufuo se se kunkum ye afie da so ete honom
ohema medase pa no mre no wadaje abusuya be ma de se obufu a ne wosa wo ya ne so be fa o shirt bi agu ko ho wapia bonten ene okobosiri hehe no wa bonten a wo mra no na bufu no kofu medwa na esi wa no watete bia we wonu muso agusu wa kwakoda we eye dwa so hema ne nsem a odi twa ato e maaye aha too much is meso no nya subscribe button so e de ama me na fe enkomo ye course ya wo hwe bi tie bi waja wo comment e wo asem ye hu sene ensem no wo si Jennifer wo wia ya kai na fa bell ne ka ho sa no upload bi ato mu a wo ne first person on sabetimi aka all the social media handles so ko hwa e too much ya kai se ho so wo be like no wa share ama wo nua bi so enye bi ahwe dark gold eni edi ameje so makra